Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a question to your Facebook story on your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device and ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story, located at the top of your feed to begin creating your story. Step 3. Capture a new photo or video using your device's camera, or choose one from your camera roll to include in your story. Step 4. Locate the sticker icon, represented by a square smiley face, at the top right of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Look for the question sticker among the available options and add your desired question to your story. Step 6. Once you have added the question sticker, you can place it anywhere on your story by dragging and dropping it. Step 7. When you're happy with how your story looks, tap Share to post it to your Facebook story for your friends to see and interact with. By following these steps, you can easily engage your friends and followers by adding interactive questions to your Facebook story. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a question to your Facebook story on your Android device. Enjoy creating engaging and interactive stories on Facebook.